Today on Reviews, we look at the 4D RC, about $100 drone class, and see how it flies slash falls. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. On this episode, I go ahead and unbox this guy and we go ahead and fly it at the end of the video. So if you're looking for a camera drone that does have GPS built in, this is right around $100, about $120. There's a coupon online right now. There's really not much that can actually beat this thing. It actually comes with two separate batteries, and each battery has about a 15-minute long lifetime. It's got GPS, it has follow me mode, it has a whole bunch of different modes. So again, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything out of the box, show you what it is, and then we'll go outside and fly this puppy. So let's just take everything out. And you have this really nice carrying case. I have to say it's very convenient, and it's really thin too, so you can stick this thing in a backpack, etc. But so you get two batteries, and each battery is a 7.4 volt, 1600 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, and it uses a micro USB to charge them up. So you've got two of these, and then the controller itself here. So you connect this to the drone, and then you also connect the drone to your phone. And this is how you take pictures, this is how you adjust all the different settings. All that stuff through the phone. So it's pretty cool in that respect. So it's very reminiscent to a DJI controller in terms of like these little, the antennas. Here you stick your phone, and it goes up pretty big. This is a Galaxy S8 Plus, and this thing fits in there pretty nicely. No problems there, so it does fit. Just note how big that is. So like I said, going through the controller, you have the left stick and the right stick. Each one, this one controls up, down, and then rotating the drone right and left. And then this one controls the direction of the drone, so forward, backward, right, left, diagonal, all that kind of stuff. This also has a takeoff and land button. Pretty fancy because it actually does have a bottom sonar sensor, so that's really good. It actually goes up and down automatically, which is kind of something you'd find on the higher end drones. Also, we've got a couple of things here. Again, this is GPS. It actually has an auto return to home function, which I have not tried yet. It has the button right here. You can turn the GPS on and off, etc. We also have the picture camera take photo there, and then you have a bunch of different modes. So that's what the controller looks like. So let's go ahead and fold out the drone itself. It's very lightweight. I mean, obviously it's plastic, but it's very lightweight plastic. So again, just for size comparison, okay? So there's a phone, this is the drone. You can actually adjust the camera up and down. It's not like you can't do that from the controller, but you can. So if you wanted to fly straight ahead, and you wanted the camera there, or if you wanted to aim it down, you can do that as well, okay? So let's slide one of the batteries in here, pretty easy. Slide it in. The on button's on the top. So you have two LED lights in the front, and then you have one big LED light in the back, and that's about it. It does come with a pretty good size instruction manual. You get two extra props, and then you get your charging cable right there. Okay, and then you get, like I said, your instruction manual and things like that, okay? Let's go ahead and take this guy outside and show you how it performs. All right, so let's go ahead and fly this guy. We have our beginner mode on. Let's turn that off. Flight distance. You can go as much as you want. Altitude. There's different settings, different surround radiuses, horizontal calibration. We just did that. Oh. I see. So that turns that on. We have magnifying glass. We have the different flights. All right, so let's go ahead and take this puppy up. So let's do the auto. Let's do the auto up. Look at that. So as you can see, guys, it is holding in place very well. I'm very close to it. I'm not controlling anything, as you can see. It's going up a little bit. It's not holding vertical position very well, but... All right, so turn it around. Goes up pretty fast. There you go. All right, so let's turn around. Come back over here. It is pretty fun. I mean, for $100, $120, it's got GPS. I mean, let's try the different modes here. The GPS is on. We're in speed gear number 2. Alright, so now we're flying it, guys. It is in GPS mode. So let's see how good it holds its position. Pretty well, I would say. So now it's recording us. Took a picture. So now it's taking a movie. Put it in follow me mode. I mean, let's go in the field. Alright, so try this again. What? Let's try it again. Alright guys, so in conclusion, what are my thoughts on this guy? 4DRC, it's the FD-F6 GPS drone. It says on Amazon that it's 4K. That's just not true. I would say it's probably around 240p in terms of the image quality, video quality, things like that. Positives, it does handle very well. It does hold its position very well. 2 batteries. I mean, the interface is actually quite good, so that's definitely a positive thing. It does have automatic land, automatic takeoff as well, which are pretty cool. The case is nice, but like I said, on the flip side of it, it did fall out of the sky with really no warning. It basically said it had half a battery left, and it just fell. I mean, if you were in water or something, I mean, your drone would be totally just done. So, the batteries themselves lasted about, I don't know, 10 minutes for me, each of them. So just kind of be aware of that. But overall, still a great beginner drone for your kid this Christmas. So if you have any questions, let me know. This has been Scott with your reviews. Thanks for watching.